Welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. Now Brahmanad Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, we discussed in previous class the integration of the function using substitution method and the problems from textbook of elements NCERT, so on and so forth. Today we are going to discuss another concept, that is integration of some trigonometric functions. Here the integrand is product of sine and cos, sine and sine, cos and cos, sine and cos. Okay, how to find the integration of this integrand? Now type 1, suppose integrate type 1a, suppose sine mx cos nx dx. B cos mx sin nx dx. C sin mx cos, this is sin mx and sin nx dx. D cos mx into cos nx dx. E sin same angle, suppose mx cos mx dx. Okay, what is formula applied here? Trigonometric transformation. Trigonometric transformation formula. Okay, so this is we know this is 2 sin A into cos B. Formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. For this we have to use 2 sin A cos B formula. Okay, 2 here 2 is absent, we have to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. This is the concept. And for this we use 2 cos A into sin B. 2 cos A into sin B. 2 cos A into sin B formula. What is 2 cos A into sin B formula? Here, that is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay, the formula is here 2 is absent, so into 2 by 2 into 2 by 2, so we get this formula 2 cos A and 2 cos A into sin B. The formula is 2 cos A into sin B is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. For this we sin mx sin nx. For this we use what is formula? 2 sin A into sin B. What is formula for 2 sin into sin B? The formula is what? The formula is sine. So this is the formula is cos A minus B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay. Now for this formula 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B formula, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the formula for 2 cos A cos B. Okay. Now this is same angle, mx is present here, mx is present here. 2 sin mx into cos mx. For this formula we have to use 2 sin A into cos A. 2 sin A into cos A. Okay, 2 sin A into cos A. This is equal to what? Sin 2A formula. Now let's work out some problem related to this type questions. Fifth time question, 5 questions we have to discuss. This is sin cos. Okay, so we have to discuss 5 questions based on this concept. Now what are the 5 questions? So this is equal to what? Integrate the following. Integrate question number 1. Integration sin 4x into cos 2x dx. This is for which formula? 2 sin A cos B formula. Which formula? Here we have to apply 2 sin A into cos B, that is equal to what? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This formula we have to apply it. We have to apply this formula. 2 sin A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So solution is what? The integrate sin 4x into cos 2x. So we have to get the formula. We have to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So it is 1 by 2. 2 sin 4x into cos 2x. What is formula here? We have to apply it. 2 sin A into cos B. 2 sin A into cos B means what? Sin A plus B means sin 4x plus 2x, that is sin A plus B, plus sin A minus B, 4x minus 2x whole into dx. Now this is equal to what? 1 by 2. This is sin 6x and plus this is equal to what? Sin 2x dx. What is the formula of integration sin mx dx? What is the integration of the formula sin mx dx? That is equal to minus 1 by m cos mx plus c. This is the formula for sin integration of sin mx dx. That is equal to minus 1 by m cos mx plus c. So this is equal to 1 by 2. And what is integration of sin 6x? Here m is equal to 6, so minus 1 by 6 cos 6x, and this is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c. This is the answer, or you can multiply the constant 1 by 2 into the brackets, inside the brackets. Okay, this is the answer. Now this is one first question. Now another question. Now question number 2. Integrate cos x into sin 4x dx. So this is in the form of solution. Solution is integration cos x into sin 4x. Okay. So multiplied by 2 divide by 2. 2 cos x into sin 4x into ds. Which formula is used here? 2 cos A sin B, that is equal to what? Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So 1 by 2, and this is equal to sin A plus B, x plus 4x minus sin x minus 4x whole dx, that is equal to 1 by 2, and integration of this is sin 5x minus sin of minus 3x, okay, sin of minus 3x dx. We know what is sin of minus theta. We know what is sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. So this is equal to 1 by 2 sin 5x sin of minus 3x means what? Minus sin 3. So this will be plus sin 3x whole dx, and which is equal to 1 by 2, and this is integration of what? Sin 5x minus 1 by 5 cos 5x minus 1 by 3 cos 3x plus c, okay, plus c. This can be also worked out by changing the position. If larger angle, or we can second method, if this can be done, write the function which consists larger angle. Here sin 4x is the larger angle, so write this sin integration of sin 4x change, interchange. Second method, interchange. First we have to write the larger angle sin 4x and cos x into 2 by 2, so this is 2 sin 4x into cos x dx. This is dx. What is the formula applied here? 2 sin A cos B. Okay. Formula applied here, 2 sin A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Right? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So this is equal to 1 by 2, and sin A plus B. A means 4x, B means x. So sin 5x plus sin what? 4x minus x, sin 3x whole dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 integration of sin 5x means 1 minus 1 by 5 cos 5x, and integration of sin 3x means minus 1 by 3 cos 3x plus c. This is same answer, this is same, both are same, but you have to remember that you have to apply sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. It is kept in mind. So cos of minus theta is always cos theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. You have to use this sin of minus theta equal to minus theta, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay. Now another question. Integration. Question number 3. Integration of cos 5x into cos 2x dx. This is formula. Here we have to apply this formula. 2 cos A cos B. The formula is 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So cos A plus B, 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So here 2 is absent, so multiply by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 cos 5x into cos 2x dx. Now 1 by 2, this integration what? Cos A plus B. This is A and this is B. So cos A plus B means what? Cos 5x plus 2x. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 5x minus 2x whole into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 integration cos 7x plus cos 3x, okay, into dx. So 1 by 2, what is integration of cos mx? What is integration of cos mx? That is 1 by m sin mx plus c. So this is equal to 1 by 7 sin 7x plus 1 by 3 sin 3x plus c. This is answer. Now another question. Integration of sin x into sin 3x dx. Write the larger angle first. So integration of sin 3x, or we can write sin 3x into sin x dx. So 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3x into sin x dx. It is formula for what? 2 sin A into sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So this is equal to 1 by 2 integration of cos A minus B, cos 3x minus x minus cos A plus B, 3x plus x whole into dx. So this is equal to cos 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by 2 cos 2x and minus cos 4x whole dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2. What is integration of cos 2x? Integration of cos 2x means 1 by 2 sin 2x, and what is integration of cos 4x? 1 by 4 sin 4x plus c. This is answer of the question number 4. Now another question. Integration of sin 5x into cos 5x. Here same angle present, sin and cos same angle. So this is what formula for this is what? 2 sin A into cos A is equal to sin 2A. This formula is applied here. So 2 is absent, so multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. 2 sin 5x into cos 5x dx. So this is 2 sin A into cos B, 2 sin A into cos A formula. So 1 by 2 sin 2 theta, sin 2 into this is 5x, so sin 10x dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2. What is integration of sin mx? What is integration of sin mx? So integration of this is formula sin mx dx minus 1 by m cos mx plus c. So this is minus 1 by 10 cos 10x plus c. So this is minus 1 by 20 cos 10x plus c. This is question number 5. This is question number 5. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Sorry, 6. Question number 6. Integration of sin x by 2 cos x by 3 into cos x by 4 dx. Okay, so this will be what we have to question number 6. We have to this 1 by 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 3. Use bracket this and cos x by 4 dx. Okay, so this formula 2 sin A cos B. So formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Use this formula. So use this formula. So 1 by 2 into integration sin a plus b, x by 2 plus x by 3 plus sin x by 2 minus x by 3 whole into cos x by 4 dx, that is equal to 1 by 2. This is sin LCM 6, 3s plus 2s, 5x by 6 plus sin x by 3s minus 2x, that is x by 6 whole into cos x by 4 dx. Again here that is 1 by 2 sin 5x by 6 into cos x by 4. Similarly here x by 4 is greater, so write cos x by 4 first. So here x by 4 is greater than x by 6, so write cos x by 4 first. Integration of cos x by 4 into sin x by 6 into dx. This is half also here, because half is multiplied to both the terms. Now again into 2 by 2, so again into 2 by 2, 1 by 4 2 sin 5x by 6 into cos x by 4 dx. Again into 2 by 2, so 1 by 4 2 cos x by 4 into sin x by 6 dx. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, now this is equal to 2 sin a cos b formula. So 1 by 4 into 2 sin a cos b formula, sin 5x by 6 plus x by 4 plus sin 5x by 6 minus x by 4 whole into dx plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 चल जा. This is 1 by 4 into, this is 2 sin a cos b formula. So sin 1 by 4 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Here 1 by 4 2 cos a sin b formula. So 1 by 4 sin a plus b x by 4 plus x by 6 minus sin x by 4 minus x by 6 whole into dx. That implies that implies that is equal to 1 by 4 and LCM is what? LCM is 12. So here LCM that is 1 by 4 integration of 1 by 4 1 by 4, that is integration of sin LCM 6 and LCM 12. This is equal to 10x, this is equal to 10x and this is equal to 3x. 10x plus 3x, 13x by 12 plus sin of LCM 12, 6 and 4 12, this is 10x minus 3x, 7x by 12 dx plus 1 by 4 into integration of LCM 12 So sine of LCM 12, and this is what? This is equal to 3x. This is 3x and this is 2x, 5x, minus sine of LCM 12. This is 3x and this is what? 2x. 3x minus 2x, x dx. So 1 by 4 integration of sine 13x by 12, that is minus 1 by 13 by 12, that is minus 12 by 13 cos 13x by 12 minus 12 by 7 cos 7x plus 1 by 4, and this is minus 12 by 5 minus 12 by 5 cos 5x by 12, and this is plus 12 1 by 12 12 cos x by 12, and simplify this and simplify this, simplify it. Okay, this is question number what? Question number 6. Now integration of type 2. Okay, first bit, integration of sine to the power mx, where dx, and this is integration of cos mx dx, where m belongs to natural number m greater than 1, and this is what? M belongs to natural number m greater than 1. Case 1, if m is odd positive integer, here also case 1, if m is odd positive integer, if m is odd, then put cos x is equal to t. Okay, here put sin x is equal to t. Then case 2, if m is even positive integer, then use sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Case 2, if m is even positive integer, then use cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Now this is example of, this is theory of sin mx and cos mx. Now let's do some problems related to this. Now integration. This is question number 1 for type 2A, integration sin square x dx. Okay, so this is equal to 1 sin square x, even power present, so sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 constant, integration of dx, integration of dx means x, and integration of cos 2x means 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. Okay, now for cos, integration of cos square x dx, integration of cos square x dx, this is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 constant, integration of dx x, integration of cos 2x 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. Similarly, suppose you are given integration of suppose you are given integration of sin 5x sin square 5x dx. So what is formula here? That is equal to integration 1 minus cos 2 into theta 2 into 5x 10x by 2 dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 constant, and derivative integration of x, integration of dx x, this is 1 by 10 sin 10x plus c. This is example of the sin x to the power even and cos x to the power even. Okay, now another examples. Now integration of sin 4th x dx. Okay, we have to choose sin square x, this is equal to what? Sin square x whole to the power 2 dx. What is sin square x? Even power present, so you have to reduce in terms of sin square x, then we have to reduce sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square, this is equal to 1 by 4 and integration 1 minus, that is 1 a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, that is cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x whole into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 4 1 plus, again this is cos square theta form. What is cos square theta? Cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 into theta. So 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x whole into dx. So LCM is what? 1 by 4 LCM 2. So 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x integration dx. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 3 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x minus 4 cos 2x whole dx. This is equal to 1 by 8 integration of 3 dx means 3x, integration of cos 4x means 1 by 4 sin 4x minus 4 into integration of cos 2x. Integration of cos 2x means what? Integration of cos 2x, integration of cos 2x, that is equal to 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. So 1 by 8, this is equal to what? 3x plus 1 by 4 sin 4x minus 2 sin 2x plus c. This is answer of question number 4. Okay, question number 4. This is question number 5. Integration of, suppose cos 4th 2x dx. Okay, and this is, we can write here, integration of cos square 2x whole to the power 2 dx, since even power present. So this is equal to what? Cos square theta is equal to what? cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Apply this formula. So this is equal to what? Integration of 1 plus cos 2 into 2x, that is 4x by 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 by 4 into, apply a plus b whole square formula, integration 1 plus cos square 4x plus 2 cos 4x into dx. Again it is in the form of square form. So 1 by 4 1, and this is 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 into 4x, 8x by 2 plus 2 cos 4x whole into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 4, LCM here 2 plus 1 plus cos 4 8x plus 4 cos 4x by 2 whole into dx. This is equal to what? 1 by 8 integration 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus cos 8x plus 4 cos 4x into dx. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 8 integration of 3 dx, 3x cos 8 integration of cos 8x, 1 by 8 sin 8x, this is 1 by 4 sin 4x plus c. This is answer. Okay, now another question. Now integration of sin power 6x dx. This is even, so you have to reduce into square form. So this is sin square x whole cube dx. Okay, now this is sin square x whole to the cube. So this can be what? Cos square x even achi, so apply, we have to apply 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole cube into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 8, 2 row cube 1 by 8, and this is a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube formula. Okay, so this will be what? This is equal to what? This is a cube means 1 minus 3a square b, 3 cos 2x plus 3ab square cos square 2x and minus cos q 2x whole into dx. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 8, 1 minus 3 cos 2x, and this is cos square theta form, so 3 into 1 plus cos 2 theta, 4x by 2, and this is cos q form. What is cos q theta form? Note if sin qx, we know sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus sin q 4 sin q theta. Okay, minus 4 sin q theta, 3 sin theta minus, so sin q theta is equal to what? Sin q theta is equal to what? 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta divided by 4. Suppose you have to integrate sin qx, then apply this formula. Again cos 3 theta is equal to what? cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. So cos 3 theta is equal to what? Cos q theta is equal to what? That is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta divided by 4. Okay, if you have to integrate sin qx, apply this formula, and cos qx, apply this formula. So this will be what? And this is minus, and this is minus cos q theta means what? 3 cos 2x plus cos 3 theta, that is 6x whole into dx. So this is equal to what? This is equal to LCM 2 here 1 by 8 and LCM is 2. This is 2 minus 6 cos 2x. This is equal to 3 plus 3 cos 4x. This is equal to minus 6 cos 2x, and this is minus 2 cos 6x whole dx. Okay, now this will be what? This will be 1 by 16 2 plus 3 5. This is equal to LCM 2, and this is 3. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Integration 5 minus 6 cos 2x minus 6 cos 2x. Okay, here minus 2 into minus 3, 6, 3 plus 3, and this is 2 into minus 3 minus 6 cos 2x. So this is minus 12 cos 2x, minus 12 cos 2x, then 3 plus 3 cos 4x, 3 cos 4x minus 6 cos 2x, minus 2 cos 6x, minus 2 cos 6x into dx. Okay, 2 plus 3 5, 6 minus cos 2x, 6 cos 2x minus 6 cos 2x, that is minus 12 cos 2x and 3 cos 4x, and this is 2, and this is what? 2 cos 6x, and this is 2 cos 6x. So integration is 1 by 16, this is 5x, this is 12 into 1 by 2 sin 2x, this is 3 by 4 sin 4x, this is 1 by 2 sin 6x plus c. So this is 1 by 16 5x minus 6 sin 2x plus 3 by 4 sin 4x minus what? 2 cos. So this is 2 by 6. Sorry, this is 2 by 6. 2 by 6. Okay. So 2 by 6 here. So 1 by 3 sin 6x plus c. Okay. So derivative of 5 ds 5x cos 2s, 12 into 1 by 2 sin 2s. This is 3 by 4 sin 4x, and this 2 minus 2 into 1 by 6 sin 6x. So this is the answer. Okay. Now this is the answer. So now odd powers. For odd powers, integration of sin qx dx. Integrate sin qx 3x. This can be done in two methods. First method, odd power present, so put cos x is equal to t. Put odd power present, so put cos x is equal to t. So this is equal to what? minus sin x derivative dt by dx. So sin x into dx is equal to minus dt. Here sin x, sin qx, so sin square x into sin x dx. Okay, तो cost को हमें t नहीं, cost of t नहीं, so sin square x means 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. What is value? What is sin x dx? Minus dt. Thus that is equal to integration 1 minus t square into minus dt. So take minus common. That is equal to integration of dt t. This is t q by 3 plus c. That implies what is t q by 3 minus t plus c. What is t here? T is equal to cos q. That is cos q x by 3 minus cos x plus c. This is answer. Another way, second method, particular for sin q x, sin q formula, particular. This is second method. Second method, integration of sin q x. We know sin q x means what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by 4 dx, and this is 1 by 4 sin 3 by 4 integration of 3 by 4 sin x dx minus 1 by 4 sin 3x dx. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by 3 by 4 into minus cos x. This is 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 3 cos 3x plus c. This is equal to 3 minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c. This is answer. Okay, same question, same answer. If we make transformation, then we will get this same answer. Okay. Similarly, cos qx, integration of cos qx. Similarly, integration of cos qx dx. We know first method. Odd power present, put cos x is equal to, put sin x is equal to t, opposite now produce. So cos x ds is cos, differentiate, okay, with respect to x. So cos x is equal to dt by dx. So cos x dx is equal to dt. आपको गोटे cos आन दियो. This is cos square x, it is cos x dx. So cos square x sin xt. So transform in terms of sin. So 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. So this is equal to 1 minus sin square means t square. This is dt. So this is t minus tq by 3 plus c. T means what? Sin x. Sin x minus sin q x by 3 plus c. This is one method. Also, in second method, this is question. Second method, we know cos q theta is equal to, apply cos theta, cos q theta equal to 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta divide by 4. Apply this formula. So this is equal to, what? Integration cos q theta. Okay, integration cos q theta means cos q x. So this is equal to 3 cos x plus cos 3x divided by 4 dx. So 3 by 4 into cos x dx plus 1 by 4 into cos 3x dx. So this is equal to 3 by 4 sin x, and this is 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 sin 3x, sin 3x plus c. So this is equal to 3 by 4 sin x plus 1 by 12 sin 3x plus c. This is answer. Now higher power, cos 5x sin 5x. Now another question, integration of suppose sin 7x dx, odd power present, so put cos x is equal to t. Cos x is equal to, if sin to the power odd power, sin x to the odd power, then cos x equal to t. Cos x to the odd power, then sin x equal to t. So differentiate. So this is minus sin x dt by dx. So sin x into ds is equal to what? Minus dt. आपको सेम कर ट्रांसफर करवा तो sin 6x into sin x dx. Okay, so sin, this is sin x, put his substitution is cos x cos t. So এটা को हमें sin square x whole cube, and this is sin x into dx. Now sin square x means what? In terms of cos we have to convert in terms of cos. So 1 minus cos square x whole cube, and this is sin x into dx. So this is equal to 1 minus t square whole cube, and this is minus dt. So minus dt. So we can minus of 1 minus t square whole cube. A minus b whole cube, that is a cube, that is minus of a cube means 1 minus 3a square means a square b, 3t square plus 3ab square, ab square, that is t fourth minus b cube means what? Minus t to the power 6 into dt. So this is equal to, so this is equal to what? Minus integration of dt t, this is 3t cube by 3, this is 3t fifth by 5, this is t 7 by 7 plus c. What is t here? Cos x. So 3 cancel here, minus of what? Minus of cos x minus cos cube x plus 3 by 5 cos fifth x minus 1 by 7 cos to the power 7x plus c. Okay, plus c. This is the solution of the integration of the sin x to 7. Now another question. Now integration of cos 5x dx. Okay, then this is equal to odd power present, so put sin x is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x, cos x is equal to dt by dx or cos x ds is equal to dt. तो यहाँ गोटे cos ds पाखु ने पड़ो, ds जगह cos लिखली, गोटे cos x लिखली, और रहा cos fourth x. Again मैं put को sin x equal to t. So this can be written as cos square x whole square into cos x dx, and this is equal to what? 1, we have to convert it into sin because sin x is equal to t. So 1 minus sin square x whole square into cos x dx. So this is equal to 1 minus t square whole square, and this is dt. Now a minus b whole square, a square means 1, b square means t fourth minus 2t square into dt. So this is equal to t plus t 5 by 5 minus 2 t cube by 3 plus c. What is c here? T means what? Sin x. Sin x plus sin x plus sin fifth x by 5 minus 2 by 3 sin cube x plus c. Okay, plus c. These are the some types of problem